like this. Too many hostiles, not enough cover.
He's moving out. We gotta get down.
Go, go! Hostile spec ops, watch it! Take out the driver! Let's go, let's go! Straight ahead! RPG! Get an RPG! Keep moving! Go, go, go! That's spec ops! Go, go, go! Let's go! Move it, come on! Dead ahead!
All right, let's go!
Go, go, go! Keep going!
Hunter, Overlord, code break. Flash traffic.
Overlord, say again, you're breaking up. Be advised, we have contact on target Ace.
Encrypted comms from higher. Hold position.
What's wrong, dogs? Master putting the leash back on?
Kozak, hold one. Something's up.
That's right, Kozak. Something is up.
Shut your mouth before I put my boot in it.
Easy.
Yes, easy, little dog.
Overlord, please repeat. You're unreadable. Say again.
Hold for orders. We'll clean up the signal.
Kozak, stand down.
You are to listen to your master.
You ought to use this time to pray.
I don't need God to save me. I have your government for that.
Step back, Kozak.
What's he talking about?
Step back.
You will see. Soon enough.
We gonna smoke this guy or what? We already got our orders.
Wait!
Hunter, do not engage target Ace. I repeat, do not engage target Ace.
Overlord, can you confirm? We've got a shot on the target now.
I confirm, do not engage. It's not my call, Hunter. It came straight from the top. They want him alive. We can't touch him. Is that
Understood,
clear?
Overlord. Hunter will not engage.
What?
Down.
We didn't come all this way to let this piece of shit walk out of here!
That's what I like about you. Your obedience. You always obey. Even if it means you die in flames. Like in Nicaragua.
You son of a bitch!
Kozak!
Good dog.
Sounds like your ride's coming.
You have your orders. You have to take me
Our
in.
orders were not to touch you.
No! Come back! You can't leave me here! No! No!